the Hamisan, mag-unbox tayo. We just unboxing, okay? This one is, I'm really ordered this when she was live, when she was the Hamisan Julia live. So we go unboxing. Yee! I got to order it. Just send it today. Yeah! Yee! O, diba? Secure na secure. O, di? Sige, sige, sige daw. Sige. Mag-ano tayo? Gontingan na to. Agogoy. Sige. So, mag-unbox tayo ng Hamisan product. O, diba? Pwede kayo ko ay good product ni siya, guys. And this is my first time to use. And she is really nice. Okay? O, diba? Hamisan. Ma'am Julia, thank you for the Hamisan. O, diba? Thank you so much. I got one order for Hamisan. This one. And this one. Another one, we open this. We open this this kind of another unboxing. Okay? I got like 1 and 2. Yeah. This is for the day cream. Okay. Day cream 4. It's really nice, even though a little bit expensive, but it's so nice to know. Yeah. It's so really nice, guys. So, tcharan! O, diba? For beauty. Thank you, Ma'am Julia. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Guys there. This is a unbox of a Hamisan. Yeah. So, nice to know it's this kind of a product that, wow, for day cream. Day cream, guys. Day cream. Day cream ni siya. So, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Julia. I ordered this one, one order this, and this is the second order. Okay? The second order it. So, thank you, Ma'am Julia, and I know that I'll be woo! Bibbles. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I get to order and box of Hamisan. Yeah, the beautiful lady. Yeah, Mom Julia. Thank you so much. Because when she was live, I ordered with 2 items. So, I be that is the secret of the beauty. Thank you.